everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. In this video, I'd like to share another journaling that I did with this year's second issue of Daphne's diary. If you want to see me cutting all the pieces from the magazine, check the video in the card at the top or in the description box below. So what I wanted to do for this journaling session was tulip journaling. This Daphne's diary had an article about a tulip farm in Netherlands called Fan Flower Farm. I'll link their site and Instagram account in the description box. So this article was full of beautiful and gorgeous photographs and illustrations of tulips. Of course, I couldn't help myself to journal with them. So this is the basic layout, and I pulled out washi tapes to make background. What I mostly used was this William Morris design wide washi tape because the card that I was journaling and this washi tape both had a whitish background. Then I added another William Morris washi tape. So this gardening shears, memo pad with springs, and this big tag with ribbon are from Daphne's diary too, but not from this issue. I just pulled them out from my stash of Daphne's diary die-cut stash. Because I have a giant stash of them, I really have to deal with them too. It is cut from the video, but I just cut out the negative space in the ribbon with craft knife. And I layered that with this butterfly card from Bloom Collection by Maggie Holmes. I just ripped the edges to the size. And at the corner there was a number, so I cut it out to use later on the photo. I started glue with this big tulip on the right page. I wanted to make this memo pad a journaling space. To do that, I had to cover the text. So I pulled out this cream-colored memo paper and used the back of it. And then I added one of the ripped strip at the bottom. It matched so well with the pink card ephemera. And lastly, I finished the spread by gluing this little phrase that says happy day. So this is how today's journaling has done. I was so happy to do a journaling full of tulips. I had so much fun. I hope you enjoyed it too. And let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!